Hello and welcome to Ticker Tapes. It's Wednesday, which means it's time for a look at the crypto space. As we enter the final quarter of the year, energy prices remain elevated, and as we reported last week, the power demand of crypto miners needs to be balanced against those of other consumers, be they households or businesses. However, a new report from Arcane Research has estimated the energy consumption of Bitcoin miners. Mining the Bitcoin blockchain is the most energy-intensive process within the crypto universe, but Arcane's research shows that Bitcoin miners consume 100 terawatt-hours of power per annum, which, though undoubtedly a lot of power, only represents about 0.06% of total global energy demand. What's more, Bitcoin mining uses less energy than video gaming and gold mining, which consumes 240 terawatt-hours of power a year. Arcane also highlights the fact that Bitcoin mining is very energy efficient because mining rigs can be bought on and offline to exactly match the power that's available to the miner, ensuring no wastage. The co-founder of Solana, Anatoly Yakovenko, has acknowledged that network outages continue to represent the biggest challenge to the project. In an interview with Real Vision, Yakovenko described outages as a curse, but said that they had occurred because of Solana's low transaction fees, implying that it was to some extent a victim of its own success. For all the downtime, Yakovenko pointed out that the network hadn't been compromised and that even Bitcoin had, at one point, slowed to a hash rate of 2 hours when a large chunk of China-based miners went offline. He also said that Solana had been built to process 30 million transactions per day, which was more than all the other major blockchains combined. Solana has suffered 7 network outages since it launched in 2020, with 5 of those coming in 2022, and should the upcoming Ethereum merge prove successful, then Solana will face renewed competition in the hosting and development of DeFi projects and smart contracts. Crypto evangelist Michael Saylor said that MicroStrategy is looking to the Lightning Network to boost Bitcoin's usability. Saylor, who as CEO and chair of MicroStrategy made multi-billion-dollar bets on Bitcoin, told the Baltic Honey Badger Conference that the firm's developers are working on software that would allow large numbers of users to access the Lightning Network, which is a payment layer that sits on top of the Bitcoin blockchain, helping to facilitate speedier, more cost-effective transactions. Mr. Saylor, who stepped down as CEO of MicroStrategy in early August, told conference goers that Lightning was the most important thing going on in the world in technology, and that MicroStrategy was developing wallets, enterprise servers, and authentication protocols that would allow 10 million customers to be added to the Lightning Network overnight. Lightning Network's community of developers have already created 100 apps for the network, which span over 20 categories and use cases. Large off-chain apps such as Blockchain Inc.'s Cash App have also been integrated with the Lightning Network. Cash App has more than 70 million users who, in theory, could now process Bitcoin payments and transactions.